today I'm going to talk about DermRays FusionGlow. On this video, I'm going to talk about all the settings, how to use it, and I'm also going to share with you guys my before and afters from using it for 30 days. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. Hi everyone, this is Darcy. I'm 48 years old and my channel is all about aging gracefully and feeling your best at any age. So if you want to join this community, please make sure to subscribe and hype this video if you want to see more content from me. I've been using the DermRays FusionGlow for 30 days and I actually just woke up. I don't have any makeup. I don't have any skincare on and I actually have not been sleeping well and I'm quite surprised how my dark circles are looking so much better and so much rested, even not sleeping very well. So I should have a lot more dark circles. Even though I'm a little puffy because I just woke up, I wanted to show you so you guys can truly see how my skin is looking after using this for 30 days. The DermRays FusionGlow is a multi-technology skincare device that combines several technologies into one system. Instead of needing multiple devices for different concerns, everything is built in one device with different modes designed for different skin needs. This device is an all-in-one device. It has cleaning, it has firming, and it even has an eye area treatment. That's one of the things I really like, so you don't have to change devices. It has 4 modes and 3 intensity levels. The top button selects the intensity and the bottom button turns it on and off and select each of the modes. Now let's go over each of the modes. Mode 4 is the firm eye treatment and you turn the device around so you can use it on the eye area. Before starting, make sure to apply your favorite water-based serums on the eye area. This mode has target microcurrent for the eye area, has rejuvenating 650 nanometer red light and also soothing warm to stimulate collagen production and firming the whole eye area. I use on level 1 for the whole 30 days and I found that it really made a huge difference on my eye area. Even though there is twitching, it is really comfortable to use and I can use even closer to the eye without no problems. I like to use gentle sweeping motions underneath the eyes. Then I do circle motions on the crow's feet. If you're someone who struggles with under-eye puffiness, tired-looking eyes, or fine lines around the eye area, this is probably going to be your favorite setting. This mode was specifically created for the delicate eye area and can be used daily. I do 1 minute on each eye. It is clinically proven in 14 days to reduce crow's feet by 49.58% and also help to improve dark circles by 90%. Mode 3 is the Lift and Sculpt. You can use it with any of your microcurrent gels or water-based serums. This mode combines multi-RF microcurrent, dynamic EMS, collagen LED lights at 650 nanometers in red light and 1064 nanometers near infrared. Mode 3 helps to tone facial muscles and improve the appearance of facial contours. When I use this mode, I do extra attention on my jawline, cheeks, and lower face. I start on the jawline and slowly glide upward towards the ear. This mode is designed to help improve the look of elasticity, reduce the appearance of puffiness, and create a more sculpted appearance over time. It's recommended to use 3 to 4 times a week. 2 minutes per side. This mode is clinically proven in 14 days to increase jawline lift by 11.83% and decrease nasolabial folds by 46.49%. Mode 2 is the Brighten mode. You can use your favorite water-based serum. This mode combines ionic infusion, gentle heat, collagen LED lights at 650 nanometers red light, as well as 1064 nanometers near-infrared lights, and also microcurrent. This mode is all about helping your skincare products absorb better. As I'm moving the device across my face, I'm using slow upward motions and letting the device do the work. This mode helps hydrate, brighten, and revitalize the appearance of the skin while improving product absorption of your skincare products. This is actually one of my favorite modes because it works beautifully with almost any water-based serum, and you can use this mode daily. 2 minutes per side. It is clinically proven to increase in 14 days skin hydration by 26.01% and skin radiance by 11.12%. Mode 1 is the Deep Cleanse mode. It is powered by ionic extraction, soothing heat, and sonic vibration. I like using mode 1 with cleansing pads, but you can also use a cotton with some toner. Use the metal ring to secure the pad in place. The goal of this mode is to help remove impurities and leave the skin looking cleaner and fresher. This mode is intended to help cleanse and unclog pores for a more purified complexion. As I'm gliding the device across my skin, it is deep cleansing the skin, and I like to also focus on areas where I tend to get congestions, like around my nose, chin, and jawline. You can use it 2 to 3 times per week. 2 minutes per side. It is clinically proven to reduce in 14 days blackheads and comedones by 32.95% and oil secretion reduced by 40.56%. And here are my before and afters from using it for 30 days. You can see, especially when I'm smiling, that my crow's feet are a lot less pronounced. I just look more relaxed overall. There's a firmness and a more plumpness to my skin. I also feel like there's more contours. I can feel my nasolabial folds less pronounced, and also under my eyes, there's less hollowness. The skin looks more firm, and also there's a glow to my face and a more rested look overall. If you're interested on the DermRays FusionGlow, I do have a discount code, and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.